Dear students of 11th class, in this video I will be teaching you the poem The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. In this poem, the beauty of the earth and the beauty of the rain is depicted. There is a hot discussion between the voice of the rain and the poem of the earth. So let us start the poem. And who art thou, said I to the soft falling shower, which strange to tell, give me an answer as here translated. I am the poem of the earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise, impalpable, out of the land and the bottomless sea. In these lines, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, in these lines, the poet asks the rain, who are you? यानी शायर बारिश से मुखातिब है कि आप कौन हो? To this, the rain replies that it is the poem of the earth. It is the poem of the earth. And its water bodies are in the form of water vapors. सीधी सी बात है कि जब बारिश बरसती है तो बारिश का पानी समंदर में चला जाता है और वहां से इन द फॉर्म ऑफ वेपर्स वो आसमान की तरफ जाता है, वहां क्लाउड्स बनता है और क्लाउड के बाद बारिश फिर बरसती है. Then upward to heaven, Venus vaguely formed, altogether changed, and yet the same, I descended to leave the dross, atomic dust layers of the globe, and all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. So, in these lines, the rain explains the poet that it rises from the earth in the form of vapors, in the form of water vapors. The rain returns to earth to wash away small particles, maybe dust, maybe dirt, and dust layers of the globe. तो ज़मीन पर जो पोल्यूशन है, डस्ट है या खुशक साली है, मैं आई एम रेस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द एंड ऑफ इट. Then and forever, by day and night, I give back life to my origin, to my own origin, and make pure and beautify it. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, record or unrecord, duly with love returns. मुझे मेरा जो बरसना है वो कोई पसंद करे या न करे. It means whether cared for or not cared for. It does not affect the rain. Whether he will be liked, whether anyone be pleased or not, but I have to do my duty it does not matter for me. It does not affect the rain nor the poet. मेरा बरसना किसी को खुश लगे या न लगे, कोई खुश हो जाए या न, कोई लाइक करे या न, कोई प्लेजेंट हो या न हो, but it does not affect the poet. If someone listen to the rain or not, record or unrecord means listening or not listening. The rain says that it is responsible for the life, for the beauty, for the enrichment and care to its motherland. As it comes back to its originated place and gives beauty to earth. So the rain is responsible for the beautification of our earth, for the beautification of our horticulture land, for the beautification of our agriculture land, because we get the three basic needs of life: food, shelter and clothing, जिसको हम उर्दू में बोलते हैं रोटी, कपड़ा और मकान, जिंदगी के तीन निशान. Without rain it is not possible. So Walt Whitman, he has beautifully depicted the feelings of the poem The Voice of the Rain. Thank you very much.